are doing a shopping spree because we got Robux. As you can see, we have 800 Robux. We are gifted by my mother, my lovingly mother. So first, we're gonna search Melanie Martin. And we're gonna buy some of her outfits. Okay, which one is better? Let us see. How much is this? 100. How much is this? Okay, that is not giving. Okay, how about this one? Oh, that costs a lot of Robux. So guys, as you can see, we're gonna choose Melanie Martinez low budget version. That's a lot of Robux. We're gonna choose the cheap one.
Ano ang gumawa?
Kuya.
Ano ang gumawa?
Mamaya. Okay, I think guys, this is better na. And then we're just gonna buy the short. Okay, to 12. So we're gonna save Robux and we're just gonna give our brother 100 Robux and then we're done. Oh, let's buy the bubbly animation. Oh no, stylish animation. Okay, we're gonna buy this. Okay, how many Robux are we gonna pay after this? And then we're gonna buy this too. Last one. Okay, this is the last one, and then we're just gonna give our brother 100 Robux. La, in-scam ako be. Hindi, kalma ka lang. Lalaban tayo. Ooh! Okay, this is fine na guys. Okay. Ayun! Nakuha ko na rin yung stylish jump ko. So we're gonna get the stylish jump. And this one.
Guys, I forgot to clip the time when I gave my brother Robux. But Ty guys for 7 subscribers. I hope you guys enjoy my videos. Make sure to like and subscribe.